Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Goan beef roulade. In a mixer jar, add 4 Kashmiri chilies, 5 black peppercorns, 1 small piece of ginger chopped, 9 cloves of garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 green chili, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 5 cloves, 1 petal of star anise, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of Goan vinegar. Grind into a fine paste. Add water if required whilst grinding. I am using 6 slices of undercut meat. Add 1 teaspoon of salt to as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of Goan vinegar. Mix. Let it marinate for 15 minutes. Beat each meat slice. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce to the ground masala to balance the taste. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir. I cut carrot, French beans, potato, capsicum into long strips. Apply the ground masala on the beef slices. Place the cut potato, capsicum, carrot, French bean on the beef slice and roll it tightly. Follow the same steps for the rest of the beef slices. You can also add pork fat or Goan sausages along with the cut vegetables. Tie the beef rolls with a string. Heat oil in a pan. Add 1 onion chopped, 1 green chili slit, 1 tomato chopped. Stir it. Saute on medium flame. Cover and let it cook for a few minutes. Add little ground masala. Do not add all the masala which we ground. Add little sugar. Cover and let it cook. Place the beef roulades in the pan. Cover and let it cook. I'm adding chopped capsicum for a better flavor. I'm adding chopped potato as potatoes are my favorite. I'm adding chopped coriander leaves. Cover and let it cook. I also added few strips of the vegetables which remained. Check the taste and add salt if required. Check and stir in between. Add 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. Once the beef roulades are cooked, flip the beef roulades to cook the other side also. It took me total 35 minutes to cook the beef roulades on medium flame. If you want, you can add more ground masala whilst cooking the beef roulades. Now the beef roulades are ready. Switch off the flame. Remove the threads before eating. Do like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.